is Thursday, August. What is it? August 7th, 2025. It is going on 5 o'clock right now. I'm starting the vlog super late. It's super hot out. It's 80 in the shade and it's in the 90s and humid in the sun. I'm cooking chicken on the grill tonight. I just threw some seasonings, oil, and lemon in a bag and made this chicken. Peanut Marie's just chilling in the shade. She wanted to come outside for some reason. She likes to be with me. But yeah, here's the chicken. It's getting there. Slice the chicken down the middle in half so it would be a little bit more manageable cooking. But it is hot today. Oh my lord, is it hot. I have to cut the grass in the pool yet, but I'll do that this evening. But yeah, it is a hot one today. Yeah, it's only going to get worse. I'm going to cook this chicken nice and low. And hopefully it cooks. Look at her. So forlorn. She's a sassy girl. She is. So I'll check in with y'all later. Good Friday morning, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Friday, August 8th, 2025. It's a hot one today. It's supposed to be super hot today, super hot tomorrow, with chances of storms. But it's hot and humid. Super hot and humid. There's like no air, no nothing. Well, there is a nice, kind of a nice breeze, but I was going to cut the grass today, but that's not going to happen in the pool. But it's not very long, so I'm not going to fuss with it. If it don't end up raining today, I'll do it this afternoon. But I have therapy at 2. I think I said 2. Yeah, I said 2. And then I have, I'm washing my bedding right now. Look at the mess I have out front. They're digging the hole for the electrical. The big old moat. So hopefully we don't get pouring rain because that's not going to be good. Not at all. I gotta turn on the fans just to get some air in this place. It is super hot. This fan is super loose. I don't know why, but it always is. So I have a meeting with my boss next week on Tuesday at 10 a.m. I haven't spoken to him since last year, but I did some complaining. Like I said, things were going good with the ADA and everything. So let's hope and pray that I get the position I want. I mean, I shouldn't have to fight as much as I have for this position. It's just all discrimination, that's what it is. Because of my disability. But I needed that year off more than anything I would have ever known. I mean, luckily I had my family to help me out financially, but now that I'm past where I am, I've come a long way, you know. And I think I just needed that time to fix myself. Just that downtime where I could just focus on me and treatment and feeling better and not just pour it all the time. But my computer's getting delivered today. So I'm gonna have to set that up at some point. Otherwise, there'd be no music for the wedding if I didn't have it. So that's 2 weeks away already. But oh well. It would be nice to get it done and over with. Not that I want their special day to be done and over with, but just the stress. But yeah. I am sorry, I'm eating a cookie. My blood sugar is kind of funky. But yeah. A lot's been going on around here. So remember when I said I was going to do a whole wall of barnwood? I'm doing half. I'm doing up to here with the barnwood. All around the shed. But first we have to get the electrical put in. There's still a lot of work. Like I said, whoever gets this place after me is going to have a really nice place. Because a lot has been done. And it's continuing to be done. I gotta prepare my water for the day. And last night we had a really scary night with one of my neighbors. I don't know, they got hauled away by the ambulance and it didn't sound very good, so I guess, nobody's really hurt anymore. Scary stuff, I tell you. But yeah. So I think I'm going to I know I should get in the shower. I should call there and see what time my appointment is. I'm assuming it's at 2. But I can't remember offhand. I don't even know. Well, if I show up there for nothing, I guess I show up there for nothing. What am I supposed to do? That fan is not doing well up there. I can hear it. Let's see here. I think I'm just going to keep them on high and shut the lights off. There we go. Just to get some real good air flowing in here. I'm going to get the window fan though and push it out. This shed gets super hot if you don't open it up. It got to 120 degrees in here the last heat wave we had when I shut everything. I thought, well, maybe if I shut the windows and whatnot, you know, it'll stay cool in here. No. Nope, that was not the case. But yeah, so I'm going to go get ready for the day, and then I will check in with you all later. Hi all, welcome back to the vlog here. So I'm just leaving therapy now. Looks like it's going to rain. It looks like we're going to get a storm. I know we're supposed to get storms tonight. It looks like we're going to get a storm. Sorry for the air conditioning, but I got to have it on. It's hot. Yeah, I'm wearing a sweatshirt because it was cold in there. I get chilled sometimes. But no, it was a good session again. It was a really good session. For a change, it's not really smoky either. I think I'm just gonna do, like I said, the leftover chicken for supper. I don't really feel like cooking up a meal today. I was able to get 2 dinners at least out of those 3 chicken breasts. They were thick, big chicken breasts. So it's nice being able to get 3 meals at least out of that. But yeah. I'm excited. I don't have to cook tonight. My laptop got delivered. There was my clean window. But yeah, so that happened. So it was a good session today. I go see her next Wednesday now, the 13th. I feel really yucky today. There are people camping. That's a cute little spot. I think I'm gonna go take a dip in the pool when I get home. Yeah, we're supposed to get storms tonight, according to my phone. It says storms possible tonight. Peanut's getting picked up today, then I have her Sunday, Monday, and I think Tuesday again. And then, yeah. That's all this rubbish about. Weird. You have a really bad headache for some reason. I don't know. I know it's super hot though. I think I'm going to log off now and I will see y'all when I get home. Hi y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm home now. My laptop got delivered, so we're gonna unbox it together. This is the computer. It came in this big old box with all like these air bags. Here's the computer itself. Ooh, it's heavy. Let's get this box off the bed here. Just a big thing of card stock. I see here. And then you get your charging brick. It's a little bit smaller than my old one. Cute. Then here's the braided new cable. It's braided. And it's MagSafe cable this time. Interesting. And this is just all the information in there. I can look through that later. And this is what we've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Ooh, it says MacBook Pro on the bottom. Wow. I love that color. Oh, do I love that color. It's heavy, but not too heavy. Oh, look how nice. Look how nice that is. It even has Touch ID. Look how sharp that is. Ooh, that's a beautiful computer. So I'm going to set her up and check back with y'all later. Hi y'all, welcome to the vlog. So, as you can see behind me, we have a storm. Behind me we have the moon. The big old moon. Ooh, that lightning is getting pretty nasty. But there's our moon tonight. Let's see, can I get a full shot of the... Yeah. The moon on one side and a lightning storm over here. We have severe weather coming tonight. We're talking possible tornadoes, hail, wind, flooding. So I moved my strawberry plant on the back porch on the shed, just to be safe. But I think I'm probably going to close the vlog off here for the night. And I will see you all tomorrow. So have a good night. I may get some clips of the storm if anything comes of it. So stay tuned for that.